True's Undercounter and Worktop series offer an exceptional combination of refrigeration options, space efficiency, and a functional work surface. TUC and TWT models feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor run times, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. Both TUC and TWT series units come in multiple sizes and are available in either standard depth or deep depth models. Units are also designed to accommodate American Disability Act requirements. TUC and TWTs are manufactured with all stainless steel front, top, and sides. Worktop series units provide a functional work surface as well as a one-piece form construction stainless steel backsplash. Self-closing swing doors extend the full width of the cabinet and feature recessed door handles and easily removable gaskets. A 90-degree stay-open feature allows for easy loading and unloading. TUC and TWT units can also be configured with drawers for convenient food pan storage. The NSF-approved interior features sanitary, clear aluminum sides and top, along with durable, high-quality stainless steel floor, with cove corners for easy cleaning. Units come standard with 2 adjustable, heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelves per door. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provides colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's Undercounter and Worktop series.